So you walk into a store, you see all these different color boxes. Which one? Which ones are the good ones? Where do I go? Where do I gravitate to? If you want to find out, you need to watch this video. Now you may be wondering, what's up with all the boxes? What's up with all these boxes? If you're new to the game and you want to know what the difference is in these boxes and what's inside them, stay tuned to the video.
Like to treat my feet, finest leather and rubber. Another one like me, I promise you there's no other. Keep the swoosh and the stripes, alligator and ostrich. Shoe game on point, so every day I got options. Fresh starts from my feet, then I work my way up.
Welcome back, YouTube. If you're new to the channel, I am the One Man Click and you will watch the Sneaker Adventures. Before we start this video, make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment, and share this video. It is greatly appreciated. Now, let's get into the video. Now, have you ever wondered when you go into a sneaker store, what's the difference in all these kicks? What's the difference in this box and that box? Why do they have different color boxes? Why does each shoe different in each box? What's with all the boxes? Why are they different colors? Why are they different sizes? Why do, all that? I'm gonna answer all that in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. The game, you already know what these sneaker boxes are and what's inside them, what's the color and all that. But if you don't know, you're about to know, because I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna explain to you all that I can in this video. Now, this video only pertains to Nike sneaker boxes, and I'm only covering a few because I only got a few right now, but there will be a part 2 in the future, and these don't apply to Jordans, so no. So if you're looking for Jordan boxes, this ain't the one. But if you want to know what's in the rest of these boxes, you're in the right place. Now, it took me a long time to learn this, being a connoisseur of the, the kicks. Being a connoisseur of the kicks, it took me a long time to learn this, but I finally learned. It took some time, but I got it. Okay. Now, when you buy kicks, they come in different boxes. You know what I mean? And people think Jordans are Jordans, but they're not. But that's in another video, not in this one. So watch out. Okay. So the first box we got coming up is this black box right here. And as you can see, it says Nike Air Force One. So obviously it's an Air Force One sneaker. You know what I mean? So it's a black box. So this black box has an Air Force One in it. Now, they're not all like that, but Air Force Ones are, what you call it, one of those middle tier sneakers, probably a little bit, one of those top tier sneakers. A majority of them will come in either this box or the next box I'm about to show you. So if it's in a black box and it's got that holographic kind of paint on it, the silver or the gold, you got a good sneaker in your box. You know what I mean? So black boxes, usually Air Force One, it'll say it right there on the box. And like I said, you could always go to the tag and find out. So this black box in particular, not all of them, Air Force One box. Now, this gray box right here also has Air Force One in it. But as you can see, the letters are not holographic, so probably a smaller tier, you would say, but it's not. Like this black box is it's an Air Force 107 Gold Olympic 92s. So, you know what I mean? I guess it's a top tier because it's a retro or whatever. But these in this box, the box just says Air Force Ones. I call them my DeLoreans because as you can see, they're shiny and black and gold, you know what I mean? But anyways, this is also an Air Force One box. And look at the wrapping on it. Air Force One all over it. See that? Air Force One on the paper. This one over here don't have Air Force Ones, got stars on it. So like I said, boxes may vary. So now you know, black box, silver box most of the times contain Air Force Ones, but it'll tell you on the label in case you didn't know. But that's a good type of sneaker you want to have. Top tier, middle tier, around there. On to the next box. Now the next box we're going to get into is very important that you pay attention to this box, because a majority of your sneakers that are in the middle tier of, you know, sneaker quality wise are going to be in this colored box. And a lot of people will tell you that, and this does not pertain to one specific kind of sneaker. It could be multiple different ones. All right, so let's check it out. And that is the red box, the red and white box. If you see a box like this, you know it's a good box. You know you're gonna have a nice sneaker, one of those middle tier sneakers, but a lot of them come in these boxes. Okay. Now this particular box has a Cortez in it. You know what I mean? I call them Cortezes. I call them the Forrest Gump because you seen the Forrest Gump movie? Jenny gave these to Forrest. That's what I call them. But that's just me. You know what I mean? But it comes in a red box. So your Cortezes, most of the times will come in a red box. Now, what also comes in these boxes are dunks. Not SB dunks, but some dunks come in these boxes. Up-tempos, pythons. A lot of good sneakers come in these boxes. So if you see a red box, you know it's a good shoe. Most of the times, but yeah, you see a red box, it's a good shoe. So for those beginners who don't know the game and are getting into the sneaker culture, red box, good thing. These black and gray boxes I just explained, also a good thing. But it's really in your personal preference. Okay, let's get into another one. The next box we got is all black. Black on black, as you can see. Okay, see, all the way around, all the way black. Now these are foam posits, Nike foam posits, and the majority of the time they come in these type of boxes. So as you can see, boom, it's a detachable lid, and you got some foam posits in here. You know, these are the Wu-Tangs, but that's in another video, don't even worry about that. But as you see, detachable lid, nice clean sleek black on black box, and these are Nike foam posits. So if you see one of these, this is one of those top tier sneakers. Now last but least, I'm saying this because if you see one of these boxes, 99% of the time it's one of those, it's not a hype sneaker. It's not something that everybody's flocking to. This is a shoe that you'll commonly see in, you know, the malls, like in department stores such as JCPenney, Dillard's sometimes, you know where all the clearance shoes are at. You'll see this box a lot. You'll see this box a lot in outlets. Okay, so not every sneaker is a good sneaker. Now this is a lower tier sneaker, so if you see this box, like I said, 99% of the time, it's not something that's hype. It's not something that everybody's flocking to get. But this again comes to personal preference. Wear what you like. Don't worry about what everybody else is wearing. If you like it, wear it. But if you see this box, it's one of those lower tier sneakers. Most times you ain't gonna pay that much for them. These other sneakers, you're gonna pay, you know, a good grip. You know, it's gonna be one of those top ones. But if you see this box, you know, it's one of those outlet sneakers. It's not something that's hype. So, and that box is, you get ready, drum roll. Orange, Nike orange box. If you see one of these, don't get excited. Like I said, you're gonna see these in outlets and you're gonna see in those stores. These are the sneakers that not everybody wants, but they have to have them. And some people wear them, you know what I mean, for athletic purposes or, you know, work purposes. It's a sneaker that you can beat up. It's a sneaker that you can wear all the time. You know what I mean? Like I said, personal preference. But if you see an orange box, don't get too excited, because it's not something that you're gonna really like, oh my god. You know what I mean? But we'll get into that other stuff in other videos if you stay subscribed. So that was part one, man. This is some of the stuff I have here. There's a lot more to it because, like I said, Nike is a brand. It's got different variations of sneakers. You know what I mean? They got Air Force Ones. They got Pippins. They got Pythons. They got Jordans. They got some Yeezys. That was it for this video. If you like the content, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And most importantly, man, share this video and drop me a comment. And let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all liked it. Let me know if y'all didn't like it. Let me know if I need to get some new shoes. All that stuff, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, man. This is One Man Click, and this is Sneaker Adventures. Till next time, man, I appreciate y'all, and I'm out.